This is an open letter to the International Olympic Committee. As you travel the world these next few months, being wined and dined in five-star restaurants in Madrid, Tokyo, and Rio de Janeiro, remember this. You're upholding the proud tradition of your predecessors, many of whom allegedly accepted bribes in exchange for awarding the 2002 Winter Games to that paragon of urban virtue, Salt Lake City, Utah. Well, you can scrap that bid from old Madrid, say adios to Spain, and just say no to Tokyo with its fancy bullet train. And if you're ill at ease speaking Portuguese, then Rio ain't your town. Oh, the good King Rich, he'll scratch your itch when he throws that cash around. Well, some folks say that it don't make sense to hold the games in the 3-1-2. They say our city's broke, schools are a joke. Well, friends, that just might be true. Oh, but good King Rich, he'd rather fight than switch. You know how the story's gonna end, with all the king's family and all the king's friends lining their pockets again and again. So scrap that bid from old Madrid, say adios to Spain, and just say no to Tokyo with its fancy bullet trains. And if you're ill at ease speaking Portuguese, then Rio ain't your town. Oh, but good King Rich, he'll scratch your itch when he throws that cash around. And the bungalows, we applaud his every scheme. From a tax increase to a parking meter lease, he's helping us live the dream. Now with a wave of his hand and a line in the sand, he's gonna bring the Olympics home. So damn the torpedoes, full speed ahead, he's gonna get us a velodrome. We can't pay for salt when there's ice on the streets, but at least we'll have a